Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum on Phantom Wallet. First thing you're going to need to do is you open up the app like so. Now, once you open up the app, you'll be on this home screen simply like so. From here, you can actually see if we scroll down, you can see our balances across all these currencies that are just on my layout like so. But if we want to acquire some Ethereum, what you want to do is you click on the buy option right here, where you can see all of the actual meme coins, all of the coins just in general on this app. And if we just click on Ethereum right here, it can actually see, you can enter in the amount. Let's say we want $100 or $500. You can see once you enter in the amount of Ethereum that you want to buy. Now, just keep in mind the max is $29,000, so you cannot buy 40,000 like I was about to. But once you enter in the amount you want to buy, you simply click on debit or credit card, enter in your banking info, or you can actually connect this to another app such as paying with PayPal, Coinbase, Stripe, or so on, and you can just click on buy option like so, and it will allow you to actually connect this to the app that you actually want to buy this with, or your debit or credit card. And from here, you can simply acquire Ethereum coin on the Phantom Wallet app. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.